Hello everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn how to sort the data in Excel. Okay, so as you can see I have written names of the continents and along with it I have mentioned the serial number. So you can see the serial number are not in sequence. So to sort this we have to select the table and click on data, and on the sort range we have to click on column A to Z because the serial number is in column A. So by clicking here, you can see the number got sequenced. And if you want to sort the other column apart from A, if you want to sort the B column alphabetically, you have to select the range, go to data, and then click on advanced range option. And here you can see you have option to select the column B. Okay, and we have to sequence it in from A to Z. So by clicking on sort, you can see the continents are now alphabetically sorted from A to Z. Okay, so this is how you can perform the sort action to arrange the data. Alright, thanks everyone. This is all in this video. Hope to meet you again in our next video. Thanks. Bye.